In today's video, I'll teach you how to get transparent background stats on Strava. First of all, launch open Strava application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Strava has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is simply tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. So what you have to do is simply go to the activity of your choice. Tap on the option for activities that you can see at top. Now you'll be able to see the activities over here. Scroll down. Right under the activity that you want to get the stats for, you'll be able to find various icons. Tap on the share icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to share the activity. You'll be able to see your stats over here. What you have to do is simply swipe on your device and you'll be able to see the transparent stats over here. You can see over here, you'll be able to see the distance, pace, time, etc. So you can download the transparent stats if you want. Tap on the option download, or you can also share it if you want. So like this, you'll be able to get the transparent Strava stats. So that is how you get transparent stats on Strava. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.